Guys, welcome to episode 5. Um, in this video, we'll just be building on what we did in the last video, incrementing and incrementing from the leader stats. But with our knowledge from previous episodes 2 and 3, we can also um do stuff if it's a like exact value. Like for example, say um let's do this in the plus script. We'll actually name this in the uh decrement value script. We'll name this subtract. And in the increment value, we'll name this script add. Now, this goes for when the player is adding. So, what we can do is like say, when clicked, if in dot value is like equal to 5, then do this. And we can say, else if the int dot value is equal to 7, then we can do this. But um that's not really the best feasible way because every time it's clicked, it would run that line of code. We need something a little bit more runnable. It's called a function. We'll name this function check numbers. And we won't only pass any parameter here. And we'll say if um so let's use our knowledge from the previous videos. We can say local badge service will be equal to game, and we'll get the service of badge service in this script. In the local developer product service, and we'll get the marketplace service. And I there's hold on, name it marketplace service. And then after this, we'll say local dev ID. Whoops, dev ID equals blank for now, and can't do that. I forgot. So we'll make this equal to nothing pretty much for now. And we'll make the local badge ID also equal to nothing. But then go back to your badge handler script and copy your ID from the commented out section and go back into your script here and make your badge ID what you just copied. Don't mix the two up. So let me just make sure that's the badge ID. The badge ID is usually the longer one. Then for your dev product ID, what you do is copy this and go into your ad and do that. Now we can get down to business with this. So first off, in the local function, let's do what we did in the because int isn't for every function, so we can say local leader stats will be uh uh you know what? Let's do this the easy way. So add a game.players.player added up here and connect it to a function and pass the player here and delete where you pass the player down here. And then you can do it the easy way. And then what you can do is delete this, get all of this up here, and do this. Now you have every variable you need right at the top. So now you can say if int dot value is equal to like 5, I think like that 5 times. Then we can say uh marketplace I forgot the double equal sign. We can say marketplace service colon prompt product purchase, and we can pass the player and the developer product ID. dev ID. And we can say else if the int dot value is equal to 15 instead of 5, we can do the badge service and we can award the badge of the player dot user ID and the badge ID. And since there's no way to actually still award the badge because you already got it in the previous video, we'll just print the badge ID. It's just as good. No, it's not. Or you could create a new badge, but let's just print the badge ID for now. And I forgot to call the function in the hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I forgot to actually call the function. So when it's clicked, we want to increase the value by 1, but we also want to do the okay, so put this control X for cut. Put this above the mouse click. You can do it like that. And then after increments by 1, we can check then actually, you know what? Let's check the numbers first before we actually increment it. So now, if I believe I'm not mistaken, if the value were to be 5, it should ask us if we want to buy the developer product. So, I were to go over here to the decrease, as you can see, no way. So I know it was previously 5, so it asked me if I want to buy it. Now, of course, this can be a problem. Now, the way I see it, we could say if it equals 4 and 14, because it won't actually do the thing until it's equal to 5 or 15. Because it only checks when it's clicked. So, now, once it reaches 5, it asks us if we want to buy the test product. And we can say yes. Like that. And then we can keep clicking until it gets to 15 and it prints the badge ID. You see, this is a very, very simple way of doing this. Just creating a function. Now, that's basically just the end of episode 5. It's very simple, just checking numbers. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's completely free, and you can always change your mind later. And I'll see you guys in episode 6.